Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I, Professor Uday Vaidya, would like to introduce a new technique for solving a practical example of material cost variance. When only one type of raw material is used. In a factory, to produce 1 unit of finished goods, 5 kg of raw material is required at the rate of 3 per kg. In the month of January, 1000 units were required manufacturing using 2500 kgs of raw material at the price of rupees 4 per kg. Now, we calculate all possible material variance. Working note number 1. If output require 1 unit, it's required input 5 kgs of raw material. We are producing 1000 unit of output at the time. Obviously, we require 5000 kgs of raw material. Now, we find out other element like standard price, standard quantity, actual price and actual quantity. Here, standard price rupees 3 is already given, where standard quantity 5000 we find it. Actual price rupees 4 is given in the example, where actual quantity 5200 kgs of raw material is also given in the example. Now, we are preparing a table in which column number 1 indicate as a AQAP, where column number 2 indicate as a AQSP, where column number 3 indicate as a SQSP. Now, in a column number 1, it is indicated as a AQAP, where actual quantity is 5200, where actual price is rupees 4, means multiplication of it 20800. Where in a column number 2, AQSP, where actual quantity is a 5200, where standard price is rupees 3, means multiplication of both is 15600. Where column number 3 indicate as a standard quantity standard price, where standard quantity is 5000, where standard price is rupees 3, means multiplication of it 15000. Now, always remember that rule number 1, right column minus left side column. Here we started from left side column, which is column number 3, means first formula is column number 3 minus column number 2, which is as a SQSP minus AQSP. Now, question is what we derived from this formula? For that, we understood the formula SQSP minus AQSP. What are the difference between these both words? Obviously, we observe that here SP is repeated both sides, means SQ and AQ are this indicate a quantity, means this is the formula of material usage variance. Material usage variance is SQSP minus AQSP. SQSP we find out 15000, where AQSP we find out 15600. Here we get minus 600. Minus symbol indicate unfavorable variance. Second method of finding out this variance with a formula. We already know that column number 3 minus column number 2 is about material usage variance. Means material usage variance is equal to SQSP minus AQSP. Take a common from both sides. SP is a common, where remaining SQ minus AQ. SP means standard price is rupees 3, where standard quantity is equal to 5000 minus 5200, means 3 multiplication of multiply with minus 200, we receive minus 600. Here we define that answer with the both method is never change. We always remember that rule number 1, right side column minus left side column. Now we discuss about our second result from this table, which is column number 2 minus column number 1. AQSP minus AQAP. Again, question arise in this method. What we derive from this formula? Again, we observe both column and derive difference between both elements. Let's define difference. AQSP minus AQAP. Here in this formula, AQ is a common from both sides, means difference in SP and AP, which is standard price and actual price. This observation defined that this formula is about a price difference. From this observation, we conclude that this is the formula of material price variance, which is also known as a MPV. Now, MPV is equal to AQSP minus AQAP. 15,600 minus 20,800. Here we'll get minus 5,200. Again, minus symbol is indicate unfavorable variance. Now, we define the formula from the table from MPV is equal to AQSP minus AQAP. Take a common from both sides. MPV is equal to AQ bracket SP minus AP, because AQ is a common and it is covered from both sides. We check out the formula with our example. MPV is equal to AQ bracket SP means standard price minus actual price. MPV is equal to actual quantity is 5,200, where standard price is rupees 3, where actual price is rupees 4, means material price variance is equal to 5,200 multiplied with minus 1. MPV is equal to rupees 5,200 unfavorable. Unfavorable indicate as a minus. Here we define that answer will be never changed with any method. We already discussed all possibility of right side column minus left side column. One possibility are remain to study, which is column number 3 minus column number 1, which is SQSP minus AQAP. Here we observe that no element are same from any side, means this is a this difference are cover all factor. Combination of all factors are known as a cost, means this variance is also known as a material cost variance, which is known as a MCV. MCV is equal to SQSP minus AQAP. MCV is equal to 15,000 minus 20,800. Here we get 5,800 minus. Again, minus indication give us an unfavorable variance. As I already mentioned that all factors are covered under this variance, means here MPV and MUV, which is material price variance and material usage variance, both are covered under this variance. Means here I also stated that MCV material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance, means material cost variance is equal to minus 5,200 plus minus 600. Here I also get 5,800 unfavorable variance. Here we define that answer will be never changed with any method. Thank you so much.